हेलो एंड वेलकम दोस्तों। टुडे वी विल स्टडी डेस्कटॉप प्रिंटिंग पीयू झांसी बीए बीएससी बीकॉम फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर पार्ट 3 यूनिट 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 113। टू ओपन पेज मेकर व्हाट राइट इन ड्रॉन डायलॉग बॉक्स? ऑप्शन नंबर बी PM17। क्वेश्चन नंबर 114। कंट्रोल प्लेटलेट शो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ? ऑप्शन नंबर बी selected टूल। What is the shortcut key to delete all the content of current page? Option number A CTRL plus A plus del. Question number 116. What is the shortcut key to polygon tool? Option number A Shift plus F6. Question number 117. Shift plus ALT plus F7 is the shortcut key of option number B polygon frame tool. Question number 118. Which option used to delete selected page? Option number B layout menu remove pages. Question number 119. How many tools in PageMaker toolbox? Option number C 14. Question number 120. What is a shortcut key to pointer tool? Option number A CTRL plus F9. Question number 121. Which menu contains the document setup command? Option number B file. Question number 122. How many master pages can you have? Option number B 225. Question number 1. Which of the following can't be included in a style sheet? Option number A drop cap. Question number 124. What is leading? Option number D the space between the lines. Question number 125. Which of the options is not available in the type style in PageMaker? Option D indent. Question number 126. What is the shortcut key of find? Option A CTRL plus F. Question number 127. Which menu contains insert pages layout option? Option B layout. Question number 128. What is a default font size in PageMaker? Option B 12. Question number 129. Which option does the text flow in PageMaker? Option D all of these. Question number 130. Which menu contains the font option in PageMaker? Option B type. Question number 131. Which option is used to import text on the PageMaker in PageMaker? Option D place. Question number 132. Which of these is related to vertical alignment in PageMaker? Option A frames. Question number 133. Which is the fastest way to create the multiple items? Option B edit menu paste multiple. Question number 134. What is the shortcut key to text tool? Option C CTRL plus Shift plus F1. Shift plus F4 is the shortcut key of option number C rectangle tool. Question number 136. Minimize and maximize button present on option number B title bar. Question number 137. What is optimization? Option number C act of balancing the display quality of graphic. Question number 138. Which option used to show color platelet? Option number B window menu show color. Option number 139. Which menu in PageMaker contains the zoom option? Option number B view. Question number 140. Which menu of the PageMaker contains the font option? Option number B type. Question number 141. What is the shortcut key to edit story? Option A CTRL plus E. Question number 142. Which of the following is not a platelet in PageMaker? Option number D document layout. Question number 144. The largest font size in PageMaker is option number A 6050. Question number 144. Which menu contains the show master page option in PageMaker? Option number B window. Question number 145. What is the shortcut key to show or hide control platelet? Option number C CTRL plus colon. Question number 146. Which menu contains the story editor option? Option number B edit. Question number 147. What are the shortcuts to window fit in the window PageMaker? Option A CTRL plus 0. Question number 148. What is the shortcut key to show or hide color? Option B CTRL plus J. Question number 149. How many alignment are there in PageMaker? Option C 5. Question number 150. What is the shortcut key to show or hide ruler? Option C CTRL plus R. Question number 151. Which option is used to change the order of page in PageMaker? Option C sort pages. Question number 152. What is a shortcut key to group? Option B CTRL plus G. Question number 153. The name of the areas include the color swatches and layers and toolbox is option number C platelet. Question number 154. Which option used to show toolbar? Option number D utilities menu plug ins and show toolbar. Question number 155. What is the extension of the PageMaker file? B .pmd. Question number 156. Which option used to change words in capital letter? Question Option number D, utilities menu, plug INS and change keys. Question number 157, which option used to insert new pages? Option number B, layout menu, insert pages. Question number 158, what is the shortcut key to rectangle tool? Option D, shift plus F4. Question number 159, shift plus ALT plus F2 is the shortcut key. Option number D, crop tool. Question number 160, how to change the color of the selected shape? Option number B, color platelet. Question number 161, we can insert the pictures by the help of option number A, place. Question number 162, which option is used to display the master item on a page in PageMaker? Option A, display master item. Question number 163, what is the shortcut key to lock position? Option number A, CTRL plus L. Question number 164, what of the view is not in PageMaker? Option number C, outline view. Question number 165, what is the shortcut key to ungroup? Option number C, shift CTRL plus G. Question number 166, which of these option is not in PageMaker? Option number D, slide platelet. Question number 167, how many types of the screen be in a PageMaker? Option A, 2. Question number 168, which of the following option cannot be in style sheet? Option number A, drop cap. Question number 169, which menu contains the frame option in PageMaker? Option number C, element. Question number 170, what is the shortcut key to go on previous page? Option number A, CTRL plus PGUP. Question number 171, which menu contains the find option in PageMaker? Option number C, utilities. Question number 172, when did PageMaker begin? Option number B, 1985. Question number 173, the layout of the pages depend on option number A, on page sizes. Question number 174, which of these software can be a master page? Option number A, PageMaker. Question number 175, shortcut key of undo is option number A, CTRL plus X. Question number 176, which is a character to be shortened to its normal shape and display something below its location? Option number C, subscript. Question number 177, which page size paper is used in the laser printer? Option number D, all of these. Question number 178, what is the extension of the file created in PageMaker? Option number B, PMD. Question number 179, which of these is not a size of paper? Option number D, A6. Question number 170, what is the first step of the page layout for desktop publishing? Option number A, selecting the page size. Question number 181, short key of zoom out is option number B, CTRL plus minus. Question number 182, how many minus are there in PageMaker? Option D, 9. Question number 183, shift plus F7 is a shortcut key of option number B, hand tool. Question number 184, what is the full form of GUI? Option number A, graphical user interface. Question number 185, what is the minimum font size in PageMaker? Option number D, 4. Question number 186, what is the shortcut key to place? Option number B, CTRL plus D. Question number 187, in PageMaker, which menu contains frame option? Option number C, element. Question number 188, which option is used to make the star with select polygon tool? Option A, element menu polygon setting. Question number 189, shift plus ALT plus F4 is a shortcut key of option number A, zoom tool. Question number 190, PageMaker can be used for option number B, book design. Question number 191, which of the following is not a platelet in PageMaker? Option number D, document layout. Question number 192, which is a shortcut key to document setup? Option number C, shift plus CTRL plus pick up the kind of tab that PageMaker does not support. Option D, flush. Question number 194, which command is not found in a utilities menu? Option C, define style. Question number 195, by default graphic larger dash are stored in the PageMaker? Option number B, 256 KB. Option number 196, what is the largest PageMaker publication you can have in the number of pages? Option number B, 999. Question number 197, which option is used to make the round corner with the rectangular tool? Option A, element menu, rounded corners. Question number 198, shift plus F5 is a short key of option number C, ellipse tool. Question number 199, PageMaker developed by option number D, Adobe. Question number 200, by using of which tool we can insert a picture in PageMaker? Option number A, picture platelet. Question number 201, what is the shortcut key to close or exit PageMaker? Option number B, CTRL plus Q. Question number 202, the smallest font size in PageMaker is option number A, 8. 203, What is a character displayed by showing it slightly above its normal size? Option number A, superscript. Question number 204, what is the full form of PDF? Option number B, portable document format. Question number 205, which company has developed PageMaker? Option number B, Adobe Corporation. Question number 206, which is the unit to measure the quality of the picture? Option number A, DPI. Question number 207, how many columns are there in newspaper? Option number C, 8. Question number 208, which of these is not main part of the PageMaker application? Option number D, control platelet. Question number 209, which of the following is not a menu in PageMaker? Option number D, format. Question number 210, which of these tool is not in the toolbox? Option number D, move tool. Question number 211, which of the following are the text flow option in PageMaker? Option number D, all of the above. Question number 212, which features could you use if the job is finished and you are ready to send it to your printer? Option number D, save for service provider. वीडियो अच्छी लगे वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।